Today on Stack, I will show you how to recover your deleted bookmarks on Google Chrome. Start by opening the Run window on your computer. Press the Windows key and the R key together. A small box will appear at the bottom left of your screen. Type %local app data % inside this box and press Enter. A new folder window will open. Look for the folder named Google and open it. Inside it, open the Chrome folder. Now open the folder named Default. In this default folder, look for two files. One is named Bookmarks, and the other is named Bookmarks.bak. These are the files that store your Chrome bookmarks. Right-click the file named Bookmarks and rename it to bookmarks.old. Press Enter to save the new name. Now, right-click the file named bookmarks.bak and rename it to Bookmarks. If your computer asks for permission, click Yes. After that, close this window completely. Now restart your Google Chrome browser. When Chrome opens again, your deleted bookmarks will be restored. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.